Hello all. Today's topic is Agile benefits. First, what is Agile? Agile means nothing. It is a software tool. And Agile have several benefits. There are greater flexibility and stability, less non-productive work, faster delivery with higher quality, improved development team performance, tighter project control, and faster failure detection. First, we are going to see about greater flexibility and stability. The project team has limited knowledge of the product end state. That means they don't think much what is in end state. They have a limited knowledge and also they can't predict the futures. Next, the product owner gathers high-level product requirements from stakeholders and prioritizes them. Stakeholders means who are all involved in project team. After the collection of requirements, then they prioritize them and they focus only highest priority. Concentrate only one sprint at a time. Product owner can be reprioritized when changes occurs. In each and every sprint, they collect the client feedbacks. It also reprioritizes the requirements. And next one, reduce to non-productive task. In traditional, they spend only 20% time of generate functionality. Other 80% was wasted because create unnecessary presentation, etc. In Agile, they prioritize high level. So their time will be less, also maximize the product work. Four types of different in traditional and Agiles. Meeting in traditional, it will take long meeting. In Agile, it take only few formal meetings. And then email, it is not efficient mode of communication, but in Agile, it's a face-to-face discussion. Presentation, only present, not demonstrate. In Agile, here it is demonstrate, so we can easily understand what they said. And the product documentation, it is sequential process in traditional. In Agile, it has an iterative process. And then higher quality delivered faster. In traditional, they collect requirement. This process can take long time. So customer wait for the product until completion of the product. It have any error on testing time. It's also increase the time and budgets. In Agile, they collect client reviews in each sprint, also tested daily by team, error also quickly detected. And then improved team performance. It has three types: support for the team, focus, continuous improvement. Support for the team. Agile practice is collocation. It means together in one place. It also physically close to the customer. It also useful to develop a product. And then if product team arise any question about the product owner must answer that. Next, focus. 100% in one project. Also focus on small unit of functionality. It focus on developers side. If any of the distractions arise, Scrum Master will take the responsible. Continuous improvement. It has a iterative development makes continuous improvement. Each of the iteration they collect the review. This process called retrospective. And also Scrum team applies the lesson they learn from the retrospective. Next, tighter project control. Agile process provide constant flow of information. It means information cannot change. If customer has any difficulties, they can be reprioritized in each and every sprint. Product owner can change for any sets of priorities for next sprint. They cannot affect current sprint. It makes easy to terminate. And then faster and less costly failure. To detect failure, then earlier and more frequent opportunities. If any assessment and actions opportunity every few weeks. Reduction in failure cost. Here see one diagram. Waterfall. In traditional model, they use the waterfall model. In Agile, Waterfall model, it has a risk, cost and time. Also in Agile, risk, cost and time. In traditional, risk and cost is so high, but time is very short. In Agile, it take a correct time, risk and cost also be low. Then the product completed in earlier. Thank you.